Okay, so I'm trying to solve problem number 4 in chapter 2, problem solving part number 4. A marathon runner moving with a constant acceleration covers a distance between 2 points 80 meters apart along the middle of the race course in just 10 seconds. His speed as he passes the second point is 10 meters per second. Letter A, what is his speed at the first point? Letter B, what is his acceleration? So this problem, the very first thing to do in solving problems like this is try to visualize what is happening. So today na, marathon runner traveling on nagdagan siya, di ba? And covers daw siya between 2 points, meaning point A or point 1 or point 2. So let me draw the 2 points first. So for example, mo ni siya dani ang point 1. Nidagan ang marathon runner paingon sa point 2. Okay, point 2 is somehow diyan dapit no? It's point 2. Dagan siya. Dagan siya pa ingon dito. Okay, dagan. Okay. It's point 2. Ikan sa point 1 paingon sa point 2. So nadari ang runner dilaggan. I don't know how to draw a runner but paingon siya dito forward. Baliktad. Okay. Ano siguro? Dagan. Saan ko? Dagan. Ano siguro, no? Ano? Wala. Anyway, ano lang marami. So, dagan siya pa yung dad ka sa right. Okay. Kaning kuan is 80 meters. Okay? 80.0 meters apart. 80.0 meters ang kalayo. Okay? And it's pala na given. Nadagan niya ni siya in just 10 seconds. So, time nga gidagan niya na is 10 seconds. Okay? 10.0. 10.0. Importante po na siya. Just to give us an idea of sa kakuan ang ilang timer. Exact. His speed as he passes the second point is 10 meters per second. So, ang iyahadang V diri, speed, is, so V nga walay bar, meaning na speed lang na walay arrow. Speed lang na siya. Pag nanay arrow, that's instantaneous velocity. Kani, instantaneous speed. Speed at that point is 10 meters per second. Okay? Ang gipangutana, letter A, what is his speed at the first point? Ito siya kapaspas gadagan diyan. So, this V2. So, at the first point, what is V1? Speed. Given bagi di ay nga, he is moving, accelerating, constant. Meaning, kung constant yung acceleration, nag-increase siya o dagan, or nagkapahinay ba, depending on negative or positive ang mga acceleration. So, ito di atong mga magamit aning nga formula for motion in constant acceleration. So, kanira din nga formula ang imong gamiton ba? For constant acceleration motion, nagdaghan kag formula nga memorize. But for me, I'm only memorizing 3. First will be this formula. Distance will be equal to velocity initial times time plus 1/2 acceleration times time squared. That's the first equation that I memorized. Second, I also memorized that velocity final will be equal to velocity initial plus acceleration times time. Second one. Third, I'm also memorizing 2 times acceleration times distance is equal to velocity final squared minus velocity initial squared. Maulang ning tulong akong memorize. Tanan nga problem with constant acceleration can be solved depende kung unsa ang given. No? This problem, kitagaan taog sa gihatag. Kabaluta sa distance, 80. Kabaluta sa velocity final, 10. Okay? Kabaluta sa Bulo ba ito sa velocity initial? Final na muna itong final ha. Velocity at point 2. Initial 1. Wala, no? So, ang first na mabuhaton is, let us solve first what is acceleration. Kung sa daya ang acceleration. So, para makuha ito ang acceleration, we'll be using final. Wala magkabuluan. Oh, medyo lisod din siya nga problem. His speed as he passes the second point is 10 meters per second. That's V final, known to be 10. VO, wala kakabalo, muna di pangita. A, wala po kakabalo. Okay, so, wala kayo masolve diretso ba? So, ang imuhang mga known, sulat. Ang imong mga kabalo na ka, okay, so, ang kabalo ka will be, you know what is V final? That's 10, or that's equal to V2, no? 10. Kabalo po ka, compile time. It's 10 pod, 10.0, 10, it's the same. Now, kabalo po ka sa distance. That's 80. 0. So, kung number 1 niya, equation mong gamiton, wala ka sa kabalo sa VO, kabalo sa A, so nakaiduha ka unknown. Okay? Kung number 2, wala ka kabalo sa VO, wala ka kabalo sa A, duha lang pud ka unknown. So, duha ka unknown, then duha ka equation magama nimo, ma-solve na nimo ang problem. So, let us use that. Using equation 1, okay, we have 80, V80 man, di ba? Equal to VO. Wala na kabalo sa VO. Ang VO, mura po na itong V1 dyan, no? VO, ang time, kabalo sa time, 10 seconds. So, VO times 10 plus 1/2. Kabalo ba ito sa A? Wala na kabalo sa A. About time 10 squared is 100. Okay? At siya, una, equation 1. Kung imong gamitin ng equation 2, V final, kabalo ka. Pila man ang V final? It's 10. V initial, wala ka kabalo. So, we can write that VO. A, wala ka kabalo sa A. A, time, kabalo ka sa time. 10. So, using these two equations, naanada yung kay Bali, duha ka equation, then two unknowns, which is VO and A. Tanan, ma-solve. Kaya na naman kayo 2 equations to unknown. How to solve that? So, I hope nga na kabalo na tayo solve sa Math 17. But, let's just try to show kung dalawang sa babaw. Okay, let's solve. Simplify first equation 1. We'll have 80 times 10 VO plus 50A. Equation 2 will be 10 equal to VO plus 10A. So, kung mag-solve the best way, I believe, na ma-solve na ko niya will be, I multiply both sides by 5. Kani, multiply by 5, then I subtract. Okay? Multiply by 5, then I subtract the 2. So, elimination akong approach. Kung ako na i-multiply by 5, para ma-cancel man yung 50A o 10A. So, 10 times 5 is 50, so, cancel na sila. So, we'll have 80 minus 50, that's 30, equal to 10 minus 5 will be 5 VO. Therefore, VO is actually equal to 30 divided 5 is 6. So, 6 meters per second. Kanya ding V1 diri, 6 meters per second lang dahil na siya. So, that's how fast I'm moving. 6 meters per second sa sugod. Second question is, what is his acceleration? Well, na-solve naman yung VO. You may choose any of this equation to solve for A. So, asa lang sa duha, pareha na yung masolve na. So, i-substitute lang mo ang VO, then you solve for A. For example, in equation 1 by mong gigamit, kaniba, 10 is equal to VO plus 10A. So, VO, gamunin mo 6. Okay? So, that's 10 equal to 6 plus 10A. Therefore, makuha ni mo diha nga A will then be equal to 4 divided 10. So that's what? What is 4 divided 10? According to my calculator, that's 0.4. So A is equal to 0.4 meter per second square. Okay? So that's A. Answer today will be A is equal to 0.4 meter per second square. Dire kay answer is V1 is equal to 6 meter per second. Let me check kung tama ba na. Ay, wala di answer dyan eh. But more or less, kung wala ko na mali, then this is right. So this is how you solve problems. Take note that you need to memorize this 3 equations for constant motion with constant acceleration. Take note na magamit lang siya ng equation when A is constant. Kana nga A constant. A. That's it. Thank you.